So the first thing you gotta do is drag things from this yeast here onto this window here. Use right click to rotate things, that's useful I guess. Also you can resize it if you want, but you don't have to. So as you can see, this is the map right now. We are spawning on this small platform, but there's nothing here, so let's make it interesting. If you don't want to keep spawning in the same place every time, you use this thing called spawn player. Let's put it like, I don't know, here maybe. And then this is the place in which you are always going to spawn. Also important thing to mention is to disable these two settings here because they are fucking annoying. So on this yeast there's a markers section where you can find all the triggers that you can use for everything, for making all sorts of different mechanisms if you want. Like for example, there's a gib zone, or gib zone, I don't know how to pronounce it, but you get the point. So the way it works is that when you just keep walking in the direction of the gib zone, you are eventually going to die. Also you can add things like text, and you can say something like, I don't know, let's make it bright and colorful so that everybody will know what we mean by that. And it will be here for the rest of time. So you can have solid tires like this thing here, but you can also have background tires like this wall, for example. You can put it like here, but as you can see, this wall is gray, and gray is a boring and dull color, so let's change it to something fun by clicking this button here, and let's make it purple, because for some reason purple is the color that literally everyone from this community loves the most. So now this is a background tire, so it doesn't collide with anything, and it's cool. Also you can add bots like this thing. Make sure to set the activate on startup to true. So you can have a bot and you can beat the shit out of it, which is fun gameplay. If you want it to make sense, you can set some sort of an AI for this bot. The next thing you gotta do is to go to discord.com, open your DMs with Dexe and ask him for help with bot support. He will make it so this bot will work like a normal human and work towards you and all that stuff. Also you can throw an active grenade, whatever. So that about covers the basics of this map editor. You can play around with this stuff if you want, but you get the point. Click this to open the script window, and here you can write something like, for each I player p in game dot get players trigger explosion. And this will cause every alive player to explode every frame, but as you can see you die, so if you want it to make sense, you use player modifier trigger, and let's set explosion damage taken modifier to 0. So now you will keep exploding every frame, but you won't die from it, so it makes more sense. So the important thing is to remove this entire script because it sucks. You could use Visual Studio for it, but I was too lazy to open it, so I used the script editor instead. You can also have a button, and let's make it so this button will trigger an explosion. So you can keep spamming F to trigger this button and it will explode things, which is fun. There's also this thing which I don't know how to use, so I guess it's useless, but whatever. There's a lot of useless stuff in this game, so just don't pay any attention to it. When your map is ready, you click this thing and you upload it to the Steam Workshop, so the map will work and you can play it in multiplayer with your friends if you have any, and if you don't, then well, too bad. You can use this text to advertise stuff, so yeah, there's that. So join my Discord server, subscribe to Freecade and Freecake on youtube.com, and I will see you in the next video, maybe, or maybe I won't, I don't know.